In this video, I will show you how to convert images into video using Goku AI in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. From the home screen, select your desired web browsing application. For me, it's Google. Tap on it. In the Google search bar, you have to type in Goku AI and it will get you to this platform. From the home page, you have to tap into the profile icon from the top right corner. In the profile interface, select AI Video Generator. In this section, you have to tap in Image. Here you can drag or drop down the image by tapping on it. You can either select from library, take photo or choose from files. For now, I'm going to choose from library. Tap on it. Select your desired photo. Select on choose. Goku AI will take some time to process your photo to video. Be patient. You can preview the image by tapping on play button. Download if you are happy with the result. And that's it. Now you know how to turn image into video using Goku AI.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.